Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a portfolio gallery on Squarespace. Alright, let's begin. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for squarespace.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, click on the Get Started button at the top right side and then select Login to get back to your account. Once you're here, access the target website and then click on the Pages feature. It is present in the left side menu. Now, get to the main navigation header and click on the plus icon. A new menu will then appear on your screen. Simply select Portfolio from the menu and a pop-up window will appear. Here, select the desired template for your portfolio and then name it whatever you prefer. Once done, the portfolio will open up. Now you can edit the portfolio gallery to your liking. So that's basically how you can create a portfolio gallery on Squarespace. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.